So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to view favorites on TikTok. So let's get started. Now see, this is the homepage of your TikTok account and you should have to tap on your profile, which is available on the lower corner of right side. So tap on it. From here you can see various options like private, repost, favorites and like on the bottom of your screen. So you should have to tap on your favorite icon, which is available on the right side of second last option. So tap on it. Now from here you can see your favorites like post, collections, sounds, effects, products, playlist, movies, comments and everything. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.